Left Charleston with a route planned for Hilton Head, and now we have a new route planned for Marathon, Florida. So what was like a 60-mile day is now a 560-mile day, and it's going to be really exciting. It's going to be great.
Rest your eyes and stay in the shade. You are hiding over the...
What you doing? Praising the cell phone gods?
Trying to. I have all the ingredients to make stuffed shells, but I never saved the recipe. And I don't know how to make it. So I'm trying to get service. Otherwise, we're eating mac and cheese.
Somebody told me to believe in better times. From a wire to the city lights. Somebody told me to believe. If the line ends out on the road.
So we're just out here trying to get south, and forecasted 5 to 10 knots, and we're looking at pretty consistently 20 knots of wind. Got a double reefed main and getting a little spray over the side. It's pretty uncomfortable, so trying to get updated forecasts and then make a decision about whether we want to press on or not.
Somebody told me to believe in better times. From a wire to the city lights. Somebody told me to believe.
With the forecast not looking any better for the next couple hours, we decided to tuck into Fernandino Beach and give the dogs an opportunity to run around on an uninhabited island. While we were there, we also stumbled across the Cumberland National Seashore.
We have been working towards this dream every day for the last 3 years. And for months, when asked the question, what is your final destination? Our answer has been, somewhere with palm trees and pina coladas. We've definitely found the palm trees and maybe a couple of pina coladas. Now it feels like we can finally relax and take our time in this world that isn't altogether new, but still very foreign to us.
A safe place somewhere in the woods, we can start a fire. All we know is what will be our home. We will stay until break of dawn.
Gonna catch us some lunch. Come here, fishies.
The cold night takes us to a place to escape the chill. Tucked up somewhere in the woods on a hill. Wake up feeling the cold in between our toes. Is there a way back? Nobody knows. And we leave it all behind. Can't you see? We need some time. And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel so much better